guys, it's Stephanie here, and today's video we're going to show you how we did the framing, okay? So the beginning of this is going to be a nice little time lapse showing how Chris putting all the pieces in, and right after that we're going to show you the things we had to do to make it actually possible to get the nice curves in our van. Because we don't have a Sprinter van, it was a conversion van, there are definitely curves on the edges, and if we would have gone straight up, we would have lost like a lot of space. So Chris ended up going on with the curves, and right after the time lapse, we're going to show you some of the process it took to actually get those curves in there so we could have nice studs for our walls. So we had to start out by cleaning, of course, and then Chris went in and started putting in the studs where he needed them first. He's already cut all of these and already tried them in their places so that they will work. We did a nice curve on them like I told you before, and that really lets us have a little extra space in the van. But right now these are going to be the main support for our cabinets and the main support for our walls. We actually had a great time doing the framing, and we're going to show you guys a little bit what we did. Chris, what time is it? Tell me what time it is.
Hold this on. I'm gonna cut my leg off.
He says time to get jiggy with it.
Off.
Like the saw.
Did you plug it in for me?
And as you guys see here, we have a nice curved piece of wood for our walls. Now you guys saw that we used a jigsaw, we also used different kinds of saws to make this product work, okay? But here it is afterwards, nice and finished. Be looking forward to next time, guys. We are gonna be showing you the installation, and we cannot wait. So subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you liked the video, so you never miss one. Look forward to seeing you guys soon. Bye.